ওই দিন
The awesome display of our school students. Certainly, appeals to the eye, to witness and listening. Put your hands together for the starting presentation.
Such training and upholding the legacy of our school in a school spirit. The awesome display of our students' performance in amazing everyone present here.
We now have our guest of honor, Mr. Mazhar Shafi, Managing Director, Modern India Polymers, Vice President of Shopify Karate India, completed MBA. Mr. Mazhar Shafi, student of 1996 batch and General Secretary of Hijaba Alumni Association. Sir, we are delighted to have you on this occasion.
बोलो
We also
जूम कर
request
दिया फुल जूम
S.K. Deelana, Principal of Hijaba School,
हाँ
Moinabad,
Sports and Guides
please on the stage.